Something that you really wanted the Fold 5 is not coming. It's not about the processor, but instead the S Pen addition to the Fold 5. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. As per reports from South Korea, Samsung started working on Z Fold 5 built-in S Pen, but scrapped the idea of not putting the built-in S Pen in the Fold 5. There was a reason behind it, where Samsung didn't have enough space to put built-in S Pen. The only way they can put the S Pen is to increase the dimensions, mainly the thickness of the phone, to make it happen, which Samsung decided not to do and go without built-in S Pen. It doesn't mean Fold 5 will not support S Pen, it will, but you have to carry a case along with it. Let me know in the comments, built-in S Pen or with case, which one would you prefer? There's one more reason for Samsung to drop the idea of putting built-in S Pen, the thickness of S Pen itself. Samsung needs to make a thinner S Pen for Fold 5, so if they do it, it will lose the point of actual S Pen. Also, by adding S Pen built-in, it will increase the manufacturing cost, which ends up leading to reduced margins for Samsung. As from inside information, Galaxy Z Fold 5 is coming with the new hinge design and different internal structure than previous generations. That is one of the big reasons. Now, interesting thing about information is that Samsung can put the built-in S Pen in the foldable phones, which means if not this time, probably next Samsung foldable phone could have the built-in S Pen. Qualcomm is also unveiling the Snapdragon Gen 3 somewhere in October or early November, so chances are there will be no Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 processor this time. And the thing is, Samsung already put an overclocked Snapdragon Gen 2 in S23 lineup, so we may end up seeing the same processor in the Fold 5, and no doubt it's a great processor with best performance and power efficiency. So noting this as a point, we can see some great numbers from Fold 5 with better optimization from Samsung. Well, for now, we are not sure about the battery, but with Snapdragon Gen 2, we will get better battery backup from last generation Fold 4. Let's hope we will get bigger battery in the Fold 5, at least 5000 mAh, unlike 4400 on Fold 4. As a safe guess, if you are thinking about Fold 4 release date, then as per Samsung tradition, it will launch around August along with Watch 6 and Flip 5. If you guys want to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery life, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.